Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, look at. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are, they're called, I forgot what they were. Something dragons, I think. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is a really cool museum. Look at that. Whoa, let me look at how pretty that is. We're going in the train museum. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, for a second I thought that guy was real. That's a nice chair. Oh my. Cool. Look at those. We are in Scottsdale, Phoenix, Arizona. Yeah, for Valentine's Day. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, but since we get a 4-day weekend, it's like, you know, vacation time. Does anybody know what this is? Whoa, that's a cool clock. Look at this. Some spoons and utensils over here. Like, I don't know if you can see them, but there's some glass cups and then a knife right there. Some more like plates and bowls and cups and stuff. And then a bunch of older books. And then we have this section. I don't really know what to call it. Nice. Wow. Cool.
You want to go before me?
Ooh, look, it's a kitchen. That's cool. More of the kitchen. This
Bathroom.
like,
There's a toilet in there.
oh, there's a bathroom right there. And then we have like a really nice dining room. And then an old photo of some people. And here's like a really cool like bedroom. Oh, it's a bunk bed. That's cool. And then a sink. And then like another room here. Another room. This is really cool. Hi. And then another bathroom. So that was a museum inside of an old train. So yeah, that's really cool. This is so cool. One of the best museums ever. If you guys want to see more, you guys have to watch my next video. Bye.